Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Absolutely yes.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No?
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
All right, no problem.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy. Absolutely yes.
If
100%.
you are unhealthy, better stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us trouble, okay?
I understand.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. By the way, ma'am, my name is Rovilyn Bohot, 39 years old. I have five kids, 17 years old, 14 years old, 9 years old. I mean, no, it's 11 years old, 9 years old, and the youngest is 7. No, it's 8 years old, sorry.
That's all?
Yes, I have five kids.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
Yes.
Is this your first time working abroad or you are an ex-OFW?
First time, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Single, but I have living partner.
When is your birthday?
January 19, 1986.
January 19,
86.
1986. What
Yes.
is your height and your weight?
Height is 5'2", weight is 57 kilos.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I am an undergraduate for Associate Computer Secretarial way back 2006.
Oh, so what happened? Why you decided to come and work as a domestic helper?
Well, actually, I decided to stop work because I am what do you call that? I am one of a self what they call that. I am the one who provided myself since grade 4. Then as a working student, that's why in since grade 4 up until 2006, when I have I'm tired getting
Okay,
yes.
so what happened? Why you choose to work as a domestic helper here in Malaysia? You could stay in the Philippines. You could have a lot of opportunities there.
Yeah, I know, but Philippines have low salary, ma'am. I'm working as a milk tea shop right now, but next year I have already college, so I need to get more some extra money.
Okay, so what is your live-in partner occupation and how old is he?
39 years old also, and his work is a chicker of Davao City.
So who will going to take care of your five children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Up until now, I have a mother-in-law in my house in Davao City with my living partner.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
Only housewife. There's a store owner there, and with my kids and my living partner, 56 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have five brothers and three sisters, and I am the third one.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 62 years old, no occupation, and my mother is died already, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got working experience in a milk tea shop. So do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. Since October 16, 2016, up until December 21, 2021.
So you worked there for 5 years in one employer only, is it?
Yes.
In which place in the Philippines?
Angeles City, Pampanga, Barangay Kutkut.
Okay. What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Pampanga?
Prepare food for kids because I take care for kids. 13 years old, 13 years old, 9 years old, 7 and 2 years old. Then preparing food before they going to school, ironing, laundry, car wash, all around, ma'am,
You do
for five
okay.
years.
So did you cook there?
Yes,
Okay, so after 2021, what is your job?
it's a milk tea shop, ma'am.
Until recently, is it?
Yes, for 4 years.
Okay. In which place?
Here in Dasmariñas City, Cavite.
Milk tea what? Are you a what? What is your rank there?
Sales lady, ma'am.
Sales. Okay. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Domestic helper is not that so very easy job. It's a very, very tough job, you know? You need to
And
clean the entire house. If the employer got four bedrooms, four bathrooms inside the house, and you need to clean it also. You need to assist the children also if there is children or elderly inside the house. So are you ready for it?
yes, ma'am. No
You need to
problem.
be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
I
you
am
take your
also.
baby?
Yes.
Can you take care of elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Always spaghetti.
Always spaghetti, but are you really willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, I am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No problem. Yes.
Yes. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
So you know how many years you will going to sign a contract?
Yes. It's 2 years contract.
Yes. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. You know what will be the consequences once breaching of contract?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
You cannot terminate your contract if you are not yet finished. You stay in your
So
focus
what
your.
so what will happen if you terminate your contract?
You will not go back to Malaysia again, and you will be going to the Philippines. So
No. So you know that once terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency because nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
yes, I understand.
You are the one who decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. All processing in the Philippines are all free already. So once you come to work here in Malaysia and you didn't finish your 2 years contract because you just miss your family, then what we were gonna do? Correct?
Yes,
So you need to bear those consequences if you need to breach your contract, okay? Because we are not playing here that if you wanted to go back home, it's just you can go back easily. No such a thing, okay?
I understand.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
I'm okay with that. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, we don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia and you will going to demand us about all these things. That's why in our initial interview, we already inform you all those specific one if it's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree all these things, better stay in the Philippines. If you agree, then you can come. Don't give us problem, don't give us trouble. You work properly, then we don't have any problem, okay?
Okay.
Oh, we don't force people to come here actually. It's either it's really your willingness it's really how you work properly, correct? Because you were the one who wanted to come and work here. Nobody forced you to come and work here, right?
Exactly. Yes, ma'am. Because we
Yes.
need money.
So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. You can do whatever you want. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect the culture of the employer. Yeah? This is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family. How will you gonna handle your stress and homesickness later once it strikes you?
I can handle, ma'am, because I've been 4 years away from my family. I'm here in Manila. They are in Mindanao, so I can handle it. Just focus your work, and then after all, clean everything. Then you think that after cleaning, that's money. That's it. Just smile and pray.
Okay, I think that's all for now, Rovelyn. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.